What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Got something special for you today. Something cheap, something budget, something simple, and built from spare parts. If you guys are curious to see what we're talking about tonight, stick around, hit that like and subscribe. Let's get into it. You guys know Mike Hootman, Papa Hootman, and Nate Hootman, who's Slow Nate. And you know they have these fast cars that we always bring out here to the track. You guys remember RBR shaking it down. What'd you guys do with it this year?
Nothing, just put back together some broken parts.
Yeah, because didn't you mess it up last year?
Yeah, broke some rocker arms.
That's it?
We were floating valves.
Yeah.
Stiffer spring.
So what did you do to it now?
A little stiffer spring.
How much stiffer?
Little.
Right. So they're coming out here today to do a couple shakedown passes. Like I said, this is pretty much a full weight car that they found in a ditch. Like legitimately, they didn't change nothing. But the car was super solid underneath. I mean, it's got some issues here, but all that stuff is surface. But they're gonna definitely be going fast tonight. That's no doubt. What's your expected ET today?
Hopefully get it in the 9s.
You almost went 8s with this car last year.
It's first.
You'll be pedaling at 1,000 foot.
It's first this thing's been out really down to 1 mile this year. So.
Maybe if the air cools, he brought an extra pair of underwear, so.
I don't know, man. Your car goes 960s, and to put it on TikTok the other day. Did you see on TikTok?
Yeah.
How'd the plug look, Nate?
Pretty good.
Timing?
We're gonna add a degree.
A degree? What boost were you at?
I didn't check that yet.
All right, so for you guys that were wondering, from RBR last year, it's a Ford block 327. And if you guys don't know what a 327 is, it's 331 with the stock bore. So it had a good bore, they just stroked it to 327. Carbureted, turboed, everything they built themselves pretty much for the most part. About 18 pounds?
I don't know. He's gonna check, yeah.
About 15 pounds. Is going to add some timing to it, and it just went 950 and 142. What'd you run?
Yeah.
What's up?
We're down.
So what'd you run? 938. That's about what you ran before.
25's been our best.
60 came down. And you added a degree?
Yeah.
599 eighth mile.
Okay.
Woo! He's like, so. Yeah, so. Slow Nate. On your way? 925, 926, and 142. I'm gonna be honest with you. I continue to be impressed with this combo, with the efficiency of it, with the simplicity of it. It's just fast and it works. You know, shout out to the Hootman Racing. It goes to show you that, you know, you can build anything you want, even if it's with spare parts. But if you guys enjoy this sort of stuff on the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe to help grow the channel. I encourage you to check out that join button for channel membership and the thanks button next to it, as it helps donate to the channel. But honestly, I'm just appreciate you guys watching the channel. I will see you guys soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.